Esin and Ediz from BOMED. Last year we had a wonderful time with you in India and we are eager to meet you again, but this time virtually. Join us in our webinar with Claudio Education to learn all new activities which can be used for your online classes and also in offline seasons when things get back to normal. We have a host of new activities planned for you, which include body percussion, rhythm and dance, and cup games, rhythm with card games, and we would also like to introduce musograms. As goodies, we will be sharing all the music used in the webinar and also PDFs of the activities. So, do join us 6th of June for a fun and enjoyable seasons. Looking forward to see you online this time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.